the ultimate resolution will only come at the end of the season when it's all over. That's, it's only heading one way. There's no conceivable way Davy Fitz will be there for a third year. It just can't. It can't be that way. It's just been a disaster, hasn't it? Like, there's no other way to call it. Like, it's been, for a year and a half, it has been a total disaster for them. And I wrote the day of the Down game up in Dunloy that they just look like a team that can't wait for the year to be over, to just reset and start over with something fresh. Like, and that sort of seemed to come to head. Yet the rumours started flying about on Monday, and then Tuesday evening came and passed, and the players had the meeting, and county officials didn't show, and then there was a statement from Antrim and said we'll meet them, and the thing is, probably
obviously there was a meeting that took place, and that's why everything has gone.
It has calmed down a bit. It's calmed down a wee bit, and whether assurances were given over gear or different things, and probably when you read the letter that the players had written, certainty over what was actually happening was probably a thing too. Like, it didn't sort of say we want X or we want Y.
Well, the only thing that's clear, and it's not good for anyone, that someone is telling lies, and it's just like either
there's obviously
Davy Fitz or the county board, and I would tend to believe Davy Fitz on this, because we all heard the rumours ourselves, that there was going to be a push against him. There's no smoke without fire. Obviously something happened there, and then for the county board to come out and say, oh, nothing happened.
Nothing to see here.
Who's going to believe that? It beggars belief that they would put out that statement, really.